So there's the waterfall, y'all. Right over here you can see it. Right down there where we just were. So this right here must be the, right there or somewhere must be that spillover for that little waterfall that wasn't doing anything. What feeds that waterfall is coming from this way. No, I'm saying it has to. It's this right here. Yeah. Times we come, there's water running down that ditch there, but not anything going on today. how parts of this have got asphalt, then it's like big parts of it are dirt, you know. I don't know, yeah, it was like back when they were mining out here, they did it, you know, to help keep it from washing. Just dump, you know, random bits of it. I don't know. Hard to say. Crossing here. Here's the other waterfall with the tanks. Yeah. The way they got this, it was like it was, you know, it would feed the water into that tank there, and then, well, I guess, I mean, this is poured concrete here, the way they got that, so it could funnel it out, but funny thing is that the opening there is like bolted shut on the bottom of that tank, so I don't really know how that was supposed to work.
Unless it comes out that pipe up there.
Up top?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, maybe. I guess if it overflowed or something.
Maybe. But it's funny though, as much water's coming down that the tank isn't overflowing, so what's up with that? Like, how's it not going through that? It's right